Hi, I'm Anoop Parikh, the owner of EVcharging, and I'm here with Nick Morris, the owner of Lucy Pearl's Bakery. We are two small businesses proud to serve the Houston community. Lucy Pearl's is in the business of satisfying your sweet tooth, while EVcharging, well, we're in the business of building out electric vehicle infrastructure. I help buildings get electric vehicle charging stations installed at their property, and I'd like your help. Tell your apartment, office, or favorite venue to reach out to EVcharging to get a charging station installed at their property. Have them reference promo code Lucy Pearls, and they'll receive 10% off their equipment for all purchases made before March 31st, 2023. And if we're successful in getting their business, I'll give you $100. And if you're really nice, I may even throw in some cookies. Nicole, what's your favorite or most popular selling cookie?
It's the chocolate chip.
Of course, chocolate chip, a classic. Well, there you go. Happy holidays from us, and please continue to shop local and support Houston small businesses. And all the fun fine print is down in the description. Cheers.